How to increase your typing speed over 100 words per minute. This video is for both beginners and strugglers. If you don't know what your typing speed is, then heads up to the link in the description to get an idea. So what was your score? 20 words per minute, 50 words per minute, 70 words per minute, 90 words per minute or more? Here's a quick chart of typing speed so you can see where you stand. At 10 words per minute, your typing speed is way too below average and you should focus on proper typing technique. At 40 words per minute, you are now an average typist. You still have significant room for improvement. At 50 words per minute, congratulations, you are above average. At 60 words per minute, this is the speed required for most high-end typing jobs. You can now be a professional typist. At 70 words per minute, you are way above average. You would qualify for any typing job, assuming your typing accuracy is high enough. At 80 words per minute, you are a catch. Any employer looking for a typist would love to have you. At 90 words per minute, you are probably a gamer, coder, or genius. Either way, you are doing great. At 100 words per minute or more, you are in the top 1% of typists. Congratulations. So why is faster typing speed important? Well, this is 2018 and we live on the internet, where we spend our precious time typing comments, mails, articles and blogs. If you complete a book typing 20 words per minute in 3 days, you can complete it in 1 day with the speed of 60 words per minute. Typing faster will save you a lot of time and will help you throughout your life. Typing faster does not just allow you to write faster and save time. I believe it can also help you become a much better writer. Hello guys, this is Kunal Saigal and you are watching Guide Hacks. So for typing correctly, first you need to learn how to place your fingers on keyboard. You will need to use all your fingers to type properly. If you look at your keyboard closely, you will see a little bump on the keys F and J. These bumps enable you to position your hands on the keyboard without looking. You are supposed to place the index finger of your left and right hands over the F and J keys respectively, and the other fingers penning out on their adjacent keys. Each key is pressed by the finger on the home row that is closest. After reaching a key away from the home row, the finger needs to return to its home row key, the space bar. Most people use their right thumb for the space bar. Left-handed people may find it easier to use their left thumb. Whichever thumb you decide to use, stick with it. Never use both thumbs. Keep your wrist up and straight when typing. Resting your wrist on the wrist rest or the desk will create an uncomfortable angle, making it more difficult to move your fingers. This causes errors and slow you down. Holding your wrist too high has the same effect, increasing the tension in the shoulders. Sit up straight, elbows close to the body. Try to keep shoulders, arms and hands relaxed to avoid tension and discomfort. Adjust your chair and keyboard height so your elbows are at a 90-degree angle and your arms are close to your sides. Your arms should be hanging in a relaxed posture. If your shoulders are hunched toward your ears, raise your chair height or lower your keyboard. To help you with the learning, I am giving a download link of the Typing Master learning software. So just download it and install it on your PC. Using this software, you can learn basic typing as well as it will help you to gain a typing speed of over 100 words per minute just by giving a little time every day to each lesson. If you are a beginner, you should first start with the touch typing course. This course will teach you how to type properly without errors, without looking at the keyboard using all your 10 fingers. Enabling satellite option will track your typing when you use your PC, analyzes it and provides targeted training using your difficult keys and words. Once you have finished the touch typing course, you will be ready to begin with speed building course. In speed building course, you will focus on some specific finger keys and speed up your fingers for typing some common words. The last courses you need to do will be numbers, special marks and 10 keypad courses, which will help you type numbers and special marks with the proper technique. Once the learning is complete, you will be having a speed of over 40 words per minute. Now you just need to practice and you will get 100 words per minute typing speed without getting stuck anywhere between. Focus on accuracy more than fluency. Speed is useless if you keep making mistakes here and there. Always remember, plan your work, then work your plan. There are many typing games on the internet, even on the Typing Master app, which will help you gain speed. Get a break every 20 to 30 minutes while typing to relax yourself. With time, you may adapt some different typing techniques and bad habits. You will have to make sure you follow the proper typing technique. At initial, you may think this technique is not working and you may find your own technique faster, but you have to stick with the proper typing technique in order to get familiar. So this is how you can increase your typing speed on keyboard up to 100 words per minute. I hope you liked it, and if you do, then like my video and subscribe to my channel. This is Kunal Sehgal signing off, and I will see you in the next one.